Friends, this is the story of a real incident from the life of the famous writer Sudha Murthy. Little Sudha lived with her grandmother in a village in Karnataka. Her grandmother loved listening to stories very much. Every week, the magazine Karmavira would arrive, and it featured a special serialized story called Kashi Yatre. Grandmother could not read or write, so every week, Sudha would read the story aloud to her. The story was about an elderly woman who dreamed of visiting Kashi but gave away all her savings to help pay for an orphan girl's wedding. Grandmother listened attentively and always looked forward to the next installment. One day, Sudha went to another village to attend a wedding. On that very day, the new issue of the magazine arrived. Grandmother picked up the magazine. She turned the pages, but she could not read them. She felt deeply upset. For the first time she realized, I cannot read. I have to depend on someone else. When Sudha returned, grandmother said, "My child, I felt so sad that I could not read by myself." In our time, girls were not sent to school. They were married at a very young age. But now, grandmother had made up her mind. Even at the age of 62, she was going to learn how to read. Sudha gladly became her teacher. Every day, grandmother worked hard, writing letters, reading words, and practicing again and again. Sometimes she made mistakes. Sometimes she became tired, but she never gave up. And before long, within just a few months, grandmother had learnt the entire Kannada alphabet. On the auspicious day of Dashera, she read the first page of Kashi Yatre all by herself. Her eyes filled with tears of happiness and pride. Then she bent down and touched Sudha's feet. Sudha said, "Grandmother, what are you doing? I am younger than you." Grandmother smiled and replied, "A teacher always deserves respect, my child, no matter how young they may be." So friends, what do we learn from this story?
Path to wisdom.
Education is extremely important.
For it belongs to everyone.
There is no age limit for learning. With hard work and determination, anything is possible. Always respect your teachers. If you enjoyed this story, please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories.